Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today's the day when, what am I going to do? Take the engine and gearbox out, or the gearbox? I've had a good look at it. I'm going to try and drop the gearbox first, see how that goes. But it's so hard to get your fingers in anywhere. I don't know. I just wish I had a 4-poster ramp. Could have had this done ages ago. But anyway, I've got to crawl on the floor like a little dog because I don't have any equipment. And all I'm using is basic tools. So anyway, let's crack on with it. Okay, so I'll take this cover off. I've got the thing up in the air. Don't need to take it all off. Just enough so I can get into the door. I'll take this one off. Not a bad cover, this. Right, so there she is. I've got it on axle stands and a couple of bricks at the back. I'll probably have to go higher, but we'll see. Right, let's get into this thing, see what we need to do. Pull up on it. Here's, I started the car the other day. So there's the prop shaft bolts. I've got one more to take out and the prop shaft's off. And then I've got some bell housing bolts in there. Right, I don't think I have to take the starter motor off, which is good. Right, gotta take all this shite off. Never taken one of these off before. Let's have a good look at that. Or does that just clip off? Yeah, it just comes off. Just looks cheap shit, doesn't it? Yeah. As you can see, someone's already been in here before. There's one missing there. Unless it's just vibrated out. Right, got a Phillips screwdriver on that. That should pull out. Let's take this out. It's just spinning round and round. Round and round. Come on, you son of a bitch. So if nobody's done this before, all you need to do is push down and turn. Okay, and that just comes out like that. And then just leave it all connected up. Right. Right, what have we got under here? Oh, that cable getting in the way. Where's that go? Pissing oil out of there. We'll get the jack in here. Right guys, you don't have to take the starter motor out to do this job. It's just sliding back now. I'm actually gonna ask Mother to give me a hand on the jack. She can let it down while I hold the gearbox. So this should be kind of fun. But as you can see, we're free. And there's the starter motor still in there, so you don't need to take that. There is a bolt above that. It's a bastard to get out, but best thing cleaning is a hot one. For God's sake, guys, get rid of your cold one. Get a hot one. There we go. Look at that. It's like a new gearbox now. Right guys, that wasn't too bad of a job. Taking the gearbox out. But yeah, I'm going to show you what the clutch is like now. I'm just about to go into the car. I've just cleaned the gearbox with my hot pressure washer. Now you guys who are messing about with cold pressure washers, get yourself a hot one. Takes all the crap off it. But anyway, let's go into the car and have a look at the clutch. Right guys, there's the clutch. Can you see where that silver, that's where it's been wearing on the thrust bearing. I'm just about to take it off now, and then we can see what state it's in. Like I say, I couldn't get any gears at all. But as you can see by the state of the car underneath, it's really solid. Great. Absolutely fantastic, this car. Because these are usually rock boxes. And this one, once I get this new clutch put in it, it'll be like a new car. But anyway, let's get the clutch off. I've just taken this insulation stuff out. I'll put that back in later. Right. There's one. That's out. Another one out. Another one out. Another one out. That's another one out. That should be just sat on the dowels now. That's another one. Right, that's them all out. This thing should just drop out now. Have a look, just so you guys can see all this shit. That's the clutch. It's stuck on the dowels, isn't it? Trying to do it with one hand. There we go. Yeah, that's fact. That's not too bad though. There's no score marks in it. Actually, it's not too bad. Yeah, you can see, look. You see, it's near enough down to the it doesn't go that way. That's the wrong way, it goes that way. Right, anyway, there's your clutch. Out. Right guys, here's the gearbox. Give it a good clean up with my hot pressure washer. So that's knackered. Right, hear that? Thrust bearing is knackered. Not supposed to do that. That's knackered. That's alright. Should just draw that off there. That should just pull off there quite easily. But as you can hear that, That's what I could hear whirling away in the car. It's knackered. Right, that's part one of this video. I didn't have to take the engine out after all. I still may yet. Still thinking about it, because I think the sump wants a new gasket put on it because it's just full of bodge. But anyway, we'll see. I just want to get the thing put back together, and classic car season coming up, isn't it? So yeah, anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything or anything like that. If you're afraid to press the button, you're not going to get a big fat bill or anything. It's absolutely free, but it sort of helps me out. But anyway, there you go. So on that note, seeds above it all, and look out for part two.